In this video, we're going to explore one of the most powerful features inside WeSend, the AI Assistant. The AI Assistant works like an automatic Instagram admin for your page. It can reply to your Instagram DMs 24/7, even when you are not online. To find this feature, I go to Add-ons. Here I can see AI Assistant. The description says, this add-on responds to your direct messages 24/7 with AI, like a round-the-clock admin. Now I tap on it. Here I can see the title, Activate Your AI Admin, and the main explanation says, capture every conversation, even outside your rule coverage, with our AI Assistant feature. What does this mean? Inside WeSend, you can create automations based on rules. For example, if the user sends the word guide, WeSend can send them a guide. If the user comments contact us, WeSend can send them a form. If the user sends a specific keyword, WeSend can trigger a specific automation. But sometimes users ask questions that you have not created an automation for. Maybe they ask about your product, maybe they ask about your service, maybe they ask how to contact you, maybe they ask something that does not match any of your existing automation keywords. This is where the AI Assistant can help. The AI Assistant only works when no automation is triggered, so it does not replace or interrupt your existing automations. Your normal WeSend automations still work as usual. The AI Assistant simply helps you answer messages that are outside your automation rules. It handles those messages instantly and keeps the conversation going. Here, you can also see your AI credits. Every time the AI replies or handles a conversation, it uses your AI credits. If your AI credits finish, you can top them up separately. So even if you already have a WeSend plan, for example, the Pro plan, you can still add more AI credits later with a small extra payment if needed. Now I tap Enable AI Assistant. Here, WeSend asks, which messages should I reply to? There are a few options. The first option is no need to reply. You can choose this option if you want to disable the AI Assistant. So if you do not want AI to reply to your Instagram messages anymore, you can simply select this option. The second option is reply to DMs only. This means the AI Assistant will only reply to direct messages. The third option is reply to DMs and Story Replies. This means the AI Assistant can reply to both Instagram DMs and Story Replies. My recommendation is to start with reply to DMs only. This is usually the safer option, especially if you do not want your AI credits to finish too quickly. Because if you enable Story Replies as well, the AI may reply to many reactions or replies that people send to your stories. So at the beginning, I suggest choosing DMs only. Later, if you are happy with the performance and you want AI to handle Story Replies too, you can enable that option. Now we can see this section, who am I and what should I do? This is where you tell the AI who it is and how it should behave. You can write a prompt here similar to the prompts you write in tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. This prompt should explain your business, your tone of voice, and what the AI should do when users message your Instagram page. The prompt can be around 600 to 700 characters, so it should be short and clear. We have a separate tutorial where we explain how to write a strong prompt for your AI assistant based on your own business. We also have separate videos showing how to build customized automations for different business types. But for this basic tutorial, I'm going to use a simple general prompt. Here is an example. You are a smart Instagram assistant who replies to all messages in a friendly, respectful, and professional tone. Keep the conversation warm and human. Answer questions accurately and concisely. If the user wants to get in touch with me, guide them to send their phone number so I can contact them. You can also add more specific instructions. For example, if you have an online shop, you can say, if you sense the user wants to buy, ask them to send the exact word, buy. Then you can create a separate WeSend automation for the keyword buy. Or if you run webinars, you can say, if the user wants to register for the webinar, ask them to send the number 100. Then you can create a WeSend automation for the keyword 100. But for this tutorial, I want to keep it simple. So I'll use the general prompt. Now I tap Save Settings. And that's it. My Instagram AI Assistant is now active. Now I want to test the AI Assistant on the Instagram page where I activated it. I open the Instagram DM and send, "Hi, as you can see, the AI assistant replies automatically, 'Hello, how can I assist you today?' Under the message, you can also see that it says, 'This message was generated by AI.' This makes it clear that the message was created by the AI assistant. Now, if the user wants to speak to a real person, they can tap Chat with a Human. When they choose this option, the AI will stop replying. Then the conversation waits for a real admin to come back and answer manually. But if the user continues the conversation, the AI can keep replying based on the prompt we gave it. For example, I write, "I want to contact you." The AI replies, "Great, please share your contact number with me and I'll reach out to you as soon as possible." Now I send a sample phone number. This is just an example number for the tutorial. After I send the number, the AI replies, "Thank you for sharing your number. I'll reach out to you shortly, looking forward to connecting." So the AI followed the instruction we gave it. We told it to ask for the user's phone number if the user wants to get in touch, and it did exactly that. Now let's test the human handover option. If I tap Chat with a Human, the AI conversation stops. The system shows a message saying that the AI has been disabled successfully. From now on, for the next 8 hours, the user's messages will be reviewed and answered by a human administrator. This is very useful because sometimes users do not want to continue with AI. They may need a real person. So WeSend gives them the option to move from AI to a human. You can then open the conversation, read the user's message, and reply manually. Final summary. So this is how the WeSend AI Assistant works. It acts like a 24/7 Instagram admin for your page. It replies to messages when no automation is triggered. It does not interrupt your existing automations. It can answer general questions, guide users, collect contact details, and help you keep conversations active even when you are not online. And if the user wants to speak with a real person, they can choose Chat with a Human, and the AI will stop replying for that conversation. This feature is especially useful for online shops, coaches, course creators, service businesses, agencies, personal brands, and anyone who receives Instagram messages and wants faster replies without managing every conversation manually. If you'd like to explore different use cases for your own business, whether you run an e-commerce brand, you're a creator, you sell courses, you want to generate more leads, or you work in any other field, go to the tutorial section inside the panel, click on the homepage and watch the tutorials and use cases there.